Let me first introduce myself to you. For the people who know me, I am Karan. For the people who don't know me, I'm Karan. For the people who want to know me, hi, I'm Karan. Okay. And I am a comedian and an illusionist. So basically, I do a little bit of comedy, a little bit of magic. So if there is something you people don't find funny in the next couple of minutes, then it is magic. Now I want to start with something really simple. And I do need someone to help me out for this. But before I do that, you, my friend with the specs, you look like Harry Potter right now. What is your name?
Shivam.
Shivam. Shivam, can you raise your right hand up like this? And stay like that for 15 seconds, I'll come back to you. I need to pick someone first, okay? Now the idea here is, guys, no, stay like that, it's okay, stay like that. So if I pick people from the audience, most of the times people think there's a setup involved, right? I've told them what to say and do before the show. So I want to leave it to you guys. Whoever wants to join me on stage can raise their right hand up in the air. Shivam, you've done that. Yes! Shivam, ladies and gentlemen. Shivam, this side you stand. Fantastic. Face the audience, lovely. Nice shirt, man. Why? That's the question. Why? Okay. Shivam, I've got a couple of balls here. They're different colored balls. There is orange and there are exciting, eh? There's pink, there is blue, there's yellow, there's green, and there is red. That's all I have right now, okay? Now, Shivam, we're going to do something really amazing. Okay? This is mind over matter, guys. If you don't mind, I don't matter. Okay? Shivam, you, sir, are going to put your hand in the bag, okay? And pull out a ball without looking, okay? So you'll pull it out like this, put your hand inside, feel for a ball, pull it out like this in your fist. So nobody will know, not you, not me, not them, what colored ball you're holding. Should be easy, okay? And once you do that, I will fold up the bag so I can't look inside and see which one is missing and guess it that way. Alright, make sense? Okay, take a ball out, any ball you like. Perfect, clench it in your fist, lovely, take it out, lovely. I'm just going to, there you go, sorted. Shivam, hold your hand up like this. Shivam, you have no idea what the color is. I have no idea what the color is. Nobody knows what the color is. If I guess your color, would you absolutely go crazy? Yes, I'll take that as a yes. I'll take that as a yes. You get to see this shit every day? What? Alright, Shivam, are you ready? Watch, nothing in my hand, Shivam. I'm going to take a sense of this. This should be, it's got to be a red ball. Open up your hand, check. That's a red ball, guys. That is...
Oh shit!
You should be in every show, dude. Excitement. We'll try this. This could be a random guess. Come on. This could be guesswork, right? So we'll try this one more time, Shivam. Okay, 3 is the charm. I'm holding the bag so I can't see. You can't see what you're doing. Pull the ball out. Lovely. Let me look away. Choose a ball. Dude, what are you doing? Stop fidgeting with my balls. Shivam, bag's folded. I'm not going to look inside. Once again, Shivam. It's going to be green. No, wait. It's going to be orange. Yeah, orange. Orange right there. Oh my goodness, look at that. I know, that's amazing, dude. We'll try this one last time, Shivam. Okay, one last time. Stand straight, face the audience. Okay, Shivam, there's no way for me to know what ball you're going to pick the third time. I want you to go ahead and choose any ball you like, Shivam. Take it, put it into your fist, clench it. No, you saw the ball. Put it back, clench the ball into your fist. Lovely. Take it out, clench it in your fist. Lovely, Shivam. No way for me to know. Yes. Blue. Let me say the ball, dude. Put it back. Pull one more out. Yeah, pull one more. Clench it in your fist. Lovely. Shivam, is this ball? I think it's going to be orange. Yeah, of course. That's what you paid for me to be right tonight. Yes. Open up the hand. Check it out. Orange. Yeah. Shivam, you want to know how the trick is done, right?
I saw it.
You kind of want to take the ball again and sort of pick it up. No, you know what? It's okay. It's okay. We'll try something else with you. Shivam, firstly, are you happy or are you married, Shivam? You're happy. That totally explains the shirt. She would never let you wear that. Alright. Can we have a chair for Shivam? Shivam, we're going to make you comfortable. Shivam, alright. So we have a chair for you. Abhit once again, ladies and gentlemen. Shivam, I want you to sit on this chair. We'll come back to this later. Perfect. Shivam, we're going to play a game. The name of the game is Which Hand? Yes. Are you familiar with the game? Of course not. I just made it up. Now, Shivam, I want you to first give me your hand like this. One finger pointing out, the other finger pointing out. Turn them towards each other like that. Stay there. Fantastic. Okay? Do not let that happen. There'll be a blast otherwise, okay? It's called the whooshy finger hold to yourself, alright? Hold it there, lovely. Good. Now Shivam, the idea here is really simple. Right? Lovely, lovely. Shivam, we're going to play the game called Which Hand. Okay? So I'm going to take a bunch of these. We're going to roll up into a little ball. And all you can lower this a little bit and scoot up a little bit. Yeah, lovely. So you can see this. Watch. Shivam, you just have to guess where is the ball. Left or right? Left. See, Shivam, you have to pay attention during this game. Okay? It's easy. It's easy. Don't worry. It's easy. Okay? It's easy. Watch. Where is the ball?
Right hand.
See, you really have to pay attention. No, it's fine. It's fine. Just hold it here. All right. Once again. Where is the ball, Shivam?
None of them.
Are you Shivam? You look sexy that way. Look at yourself. You know. Which hand is the ball? Left hand. I'll give you one more try. I'll give you one. Shivam, why don't you wake up and smell the toast burning? Look at that. Which hand?
Left hand.
Dude, this is the left hand.
This is the left hand.
So you mean this one? That doesn't make sense, right? We'll try one more. We'll keep doing. I can keep doing this all night. Just for him, all right? One more time. We'll just roll a bigger ball this time. Maybe that'll help. So Shivam, the idea is that the reason why you can't catch it going is because I put the ball like this. So I kind of cover up the ball and do stuff like that. You can hold this a little higher if you can. So I cover up the ball and do stuff like that. And then you can't guess where it is, basically, right? It's difficult, right? Sometimes it's not here. Sometimes it's not even there. Sometimes it's just gone. Doesn't make sense. I know. We'll try this again. We'll keep doing this until you like it, Shivam. That's how this is. Until you give up. Until you go like, no, I want to leave and change my shirt. Until you say that. What shirt is this? No, really, what shirt is that? Lovely. Shivam, we're going to roll this up. Once again, which hand?
Left one.
It teleported, dude. You want to see a better one? Watch. This time I'll clearly put it in this hand. It's in the left hand. Watch, guys. This is amazing, okay? Watch. I'm going to make the ball jump from the left to the right. Okay? You know what that does, Shivam? Absolutely nothing. I don't know why magicians do this nonsense. I will never understand. But Shivam, watch. The ball has now gone from the left hand. Now it's in the right hand. Let me check. Yes, it's not there. And it's now here. But that's the easy part, Shivam. See, the difficult part is to send the ball back from the right hand to the left hand. Back over here. No, sit down. No, lovely. But no, seriously, take the ball, put it in the hand, right? And the whooshy finger hold, it vanishes from here and vanishes from. You know what, Shivam? I think this is getting very, very difficult. Put your finger inside. Okay? Put your finger inside. Yes. Imagine it's one of those nights. Yes. Okay. Now, I'm just going to do this with a. Let's try this now. Shivam, I'm going to help you here now. See that? I really want to help you. Look at this shit. Okay? Genuinely want to help you. Can't cover up this. This is going to be insane. This is going to be insane, dude. Watch. Where is the ball, Shivam? In my right hand, Shivam, ladies and gentlemen. I will tell you when to leave. Yeah. Shivam, you can play with that later. We have a washroom. That's okay. Scoot up a little. Lovely. The problem with this ball is you have to hold it in two hands. Because with one hand it's nonsensical. You saw that, right? Can you blow on my hand? Don't spit. Try to just, yeah, thank you. Nice, no? You really do this every day, don't you? Really? I tried with the whole thing, Shivam. The whole thing. Shivam, watch. Where is the... Yeah, I know, right? Stand up. Look at that. That's what we've been doing the whole time. That's, yeah, I know. Crazy, no? What do you want to do now? You can go back to your seat then. Give Shivam a huge round of applause.